Hello Capricorn, this is your monthly reading for the month of May, and here we have overall theme for you and your partner. Then we check out that how you feel and how they feel and the final outcome, and at the last we have a song. So let's check out for my beautiful Capricorns overall theme for the month of May for my beautiful Capricorns. Overall theme for you for the month of May. So you have the pride, you also have the new beginning, you have parenting reverse and the environment. So you have the four cards. So that's representing that you want some sort of a new beginning in your life. You are planning some sort of a new beginnings, starting something from the zero, right? And you also having a little bit pride issues in the month of May, but you are feeling so close to the nature, to the environment. Maybe you planning or organizing some sort of a trip that is related to like nature, close to nature or something. And parenting reverse, so little bit of nurturing and caring kind of energy is like in a reverse position, as you feel the detachment, right? You feel detached with the people around you who are near and dear ones, right? So little bit disattachment in your emotional side, right? So let me take some, but you are totally focused upon your personal growth, right? So you want some sort of a new beginning and you feel close to the nature. So let's see your partner's overall theme for the month of May. Overall theme for the month of May of your partner. Spiritual partnership. So whoever your partner is, they are totally focused on their spiritual partnership. They see this connection as something spiritual and they are like too much focused on the spiritual partnership. Let me take one more card. So what they have? Rebirth. They are also going through some rebirth process, right? So yes, some start of reborn, some start like 16 is the important number for you and your partner. So something is like new beginning and the rebirth having the same meaning, that you both are starting something new and you both feel the spiritual connection with each other. And the bottom of the deck, change. So some sort of a change happening in your partner's life, right? So let's check out your love energy. How my beautiful Capricorns feeling towards their love partner. So we have the Three of Swords, Seven of Swords, oh my god, and the Six of Wands. Maybe you are going through some third party situation. You are going through a lot of pain in the month of May. You also experiencing some sort of a betrayals in your love life, but ultimately you are winning the victory. You are victorious over any kind of a pain and betrayals going on in your life. If there is any sort of a third party situation, any sort of a pain you are going through, any sort of a this kind of a energy like negative energy of cheating, lying, and anything, you are coming out as a victorious because there is some sort of a new beginning in your life. You rearranging, you rethinking about the connection. You start each and everything with a lot of passion again. No matter what in the past, if you experiencing or maybe in the starting phase of May, you are going through this cheating, lying, third party situation, pain, or whatever, this kind of a negative energy, you are coming out as a victorious at the end of the month, and you start some sort of a new beginning in your life. But for that is like, that's why you emotions like in parenting is reverse, like you are emotionally detached at the end of the May. You are feeling emotionally detached, and that's why you are become a victorious in this whatever the scenario of your love life. And you want to spend some time close to the nature to heal yourself from this kind of a pain, and you have a little bit pride issues, right? So let's see bottom of the deck, six of swords. You are walking away whatever the pain, whatever the betrayals in your life, you are walking away successfully towards the peaceful scenario, right? So let's see your partner's energy towards you. They also going through rebirth processes, like before they are going through a very dark phase. So this person is also going through a lot of like negative energy before, so they have to transform themselves, they have to make some changes in their life to come out from this kind of a energy. They have to follow the spiritual partnership, spiritual journey in their life, right? So let's see how they feel towards you, how your partner feeling towards you for the month of May. So we have the Eight of Cups. They are walking away from something, as they also feel that all the emotions are empty. They want some emotional fulfillment. This person walking for the ninth cup. Whatever the desire of this person, they are listening their intuition, because all the eight cups that they have, that is not giving them any emotional satisfaction. So they are walking away from all the empty cups, and they want something that gives them the emotional satisfaction. So let me take other cards. See, we have a lot of cards. King of Pentacles. They want some sort of a stability in their life, a commitment in their life, a financial stability, security, right? And we also have the Four of Swords and the Five of Swords. So this is like the resting time period for them. They are not putting any effort into this connection. They are like lose-lose situation for your partner. Even if they win, they feel the loss in this connection. They try to heal themselves, as you both experience some sort of a pain in this love connection. But the thing is, you are more mature kind of energy that you have. You are more like detached from your emotions and successfully moving forward for your success. But this person is like feeling the loss, and now they want some sort of a emotional satisfaction in their life, and they are working on their stability, right? They are too much focused on their stable side. They are working hard for their pentacles. Their total focus is like on the money. This person is like shifted their energy towards the financial situation, right? And you are also moving on. So let me see the final outcome of your connection. What's going to happen at the last in this kind of a love energy? Lot of pain you both are going through. So let's see the final outcome for my beautiful Capricorns. At the last, final outcome. Final outcome. 10 of Cups. At the last, there is some sort of a abundance, emotional fulfillment in this connection. I know it's hard to believe that after all this chaos, that how you both feel like this, because there is some emotional fulfillment you both feel with each other, and this is like the mutual energy of both of you, when you both want this sort of a beautiful home like abundance life, right? No matter what, how much disturbance you both going through, at the last you want this beautiful ending, means this beautiful happy ending, right? So that is the common. And the bottom of the deck, Three of Pentacles. So you want to work upon this situation and the connection, no matter what's going on. At the last, you both want to build this connection. You both want this ultimate happiness with each other, and you are definitely victorious about something. Whatever you are going through pain, you are coming out from that pain successfully. So this is your reading. Very chaotic, very complicated reading for me, yes, but this is the mutual feeling, right? So let me take one song for my beautiful Capricorns. More than just the two of us. More than just the two of us. Two of us. Sorry. right? This is the song. So if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.